Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. If it's Sunday, that means I have already gone and done my grocery shopping for the week. There are a few sale items that are Monday deals, which I'll pick up tomorrow. So last night, Robin and I went on a date. She treated to Carlitos. It's a great Mexican restaurant here in Yuba City, California. Wow, the place was packed. We got there about 6:30, had about 30 to 40 minute wait. It was worth it. So tonight I'm doing something super simple. It's not your typical lasagna. And I actually have to thank Robin for part of this, for her suggestion. Let's get to it. Hardware is pretty simple. The Dutch oven is for boiling the pasta, and you can't see the air quotes. And I'm doing just a real small version of this. I'm using raviolis. This was Robin's idea / suggestion. Because I was originally I thought about, lasagna, regular lasagna noodles, or I thought about doing just a layer like macaroni pasta, or another small, kind of smallish pasta. But Robin suggested using ravioli. So I was originally looking for, it was a spinach and something, but they didn't have it. So I went with the Italian sausage. This is the red sauce or spaghetti sauce I made the other night. This is what prompted this meal. So as you can see, this is a nice, thick, rich, hearty red sauce. It's got chopped up turkey in it. So that's the hard. That's the long. It's not the hard part. It's the long part of putting together a lasagna. So we've got the raviolis, my red sauce. I'm using mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and grated Parmesan, and I'll be chopping up some parsley for the top. So these are the goodies for tonight's meal. So there's no ricotta because there's some cheese, I believe, in the ravioli. I am not a real big fan of ricotta, and I would never use cottage cheese in any kind of lasagna. Never. I know some people swear by it. Because ricotta is it's a pain to work with. Yeah. So, I'm coming up with a new way to get spices to you folks. I should be announcing something here in the next week. It's going to be individual spices. Not your typical American, air quotes, American spices. Because not everybody lives in Yuba City or like Sacramento or San Francisco or even like Los Angeles. Or a good friend of mine who lives in San Diego who can go and get truly international spices. So on this Sunday, I really hope you guys have a Sunday dinner with family or just have something special today. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.